Okay, I'm just gonna run through this problem while you're continuing to work on the homework, but feel free to check yours as I'm doing this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to convert both of these into grams of the product to see what the limiting reactant is. And I got these coefficients from the problem. Okay. Okay, so now I have both of them converted to the products. This one's smaller, so this is going to be our amount of product produced. And because that's the smaller one, this is going to be our LR. This is going to be our excess. All right, so we figured out what the limiting reactant is. We're going to take the limiting reactant and convert it into the excess to figure out how much excess was used in this reaction. So 143 grams of potassium. We're going to convert it to moles first. Then we're going to convert it from moles of potassium to moles of the other excess, which is moles of chlorine. All right, so we use the equation for these coefficients. So potassium is 2 and chlorine is 1. And then we go from moles of chlorine to grams of chlorine. And that's going to give us 0.130 grams Cl2. So we have 3 sig figs here. So that's how much is used. All right. How much was given is 0.236 grams Cl excess given. We're going to subtract that from 0.130 grams, and this is excess used, and that's going to give us 0.106 grams of chlorine, which is the excess left over. So this is one of the things that it asked us to find, how many grams of excess are left over. Another thing we were looking for was the limiting reactant, to identify what the excess was, and then also to figure out how much of the product was produced.